Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI and I'm here to show you my awesome garbage can. Let me show it to you up close. So I recently started using this garbage can and I really like it. Works by a sensor. So you have to have your product close to that sensor, that little black thing in the corner, in order for it to open up. And I do like that because it's not an annoying garbage can that opens whenever you walk past it. I like that you kind of have to give it the signal. This garbage can also stays open for a little bit, so if you have multiple things to throw away, you can do that before it closes up on you. And to top it all off, I think it is just a nice piece. You can see here my bathroom's not completed, but it is going around with the white ensemble in the back, and I think it just adds a nice gentle touch to the rest of the bathroom. This is also really easy to clean, so that is a plus in my mind too. So I highly recommend this, and that's just my point of view.